I'm using 2 strands of yarn. Start with a slip knot. And chain 200. This would measure up around 65 to 70 inches. One single crochet into the second chain from the hook, one into this one, and continue with one single crochet into each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Now this round onwards we'll be working only into the back loops. This is the front loop and here this is the back loop. One back loop single crochet into each and every stitch. This is the back loop. Front loop and this is the back loop. Continue with the stitches. One back loop single crochet into each and every stitch. This is how it will look. Make the last stitch, chain 1 and turn your work. Now just keep repeating this round until it's around 6 to 7 inches in size. We will be working only into the back loops. One back loop single crochet into each and every stitch. This is how it will look. Once you're done, trim off the edges. In the same way, do the other side as well. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.